with Aalim, or how is it working with him?
Okay, I have been working with Alim ever since before I even learned how to hold the scissor. Actually, he's taught me everything, and I've been on this line for more than 2.5 years now. And for me, very frankly speaking, if I am into this line, it's working with Alim or else it's not working. For me, I will not be able to work in any other salon or take anybody else as my boss because I've learned everything from him. And no matter how famous somebody might just become tomorrow, but for me, Alim is going to be the best.
And who all have you styled till date?
Well, I've styled hair for, there's this movie called Chocolate, in which I've styled hair for Anil Kapoor, Sunil Shetty, Arshad Varsi, Irfan Khan, Imran Hashmi. Then I've done Saif's hair in Salam Namaste, also his one or two Lay's ads. Then I've done hair for Dharamji, for Sunny Deol, for Bobby Deol, for this movie called Apne. And I've, I've been with Bobby for the past 1 year now, more than a year.
And as Aalim was telling me that you are Deol's favorite. So what is that?
Uh, well, that though you got to ask them only. It's just I guess we've been with each other for a bit too long, so I've got to know the family really well, and I gel along very well with all of them because they're very, very sweet, very down to earth kind of people, which I don't know what people have to think or might think of them, but they come across as very, very sweet. And not only me, probably anybody else working in my place, I'm sure they would be their favorite too.
And last question, Aalim was telling me that he designed the first one, and then you guys carry it
Follow it,
forward
yeah.
and style it throughout the process. So how did it happen?
Well, it happens that, suppose, say, if Bobby Deol is doing a new movie and they want us to style his hair, what happens is they get in touch with Alim, and the producer, director, or the actors themselves, they come here and they explain to him what the look is exactly, like what his character in the movie is, and whether there's like a double role or whether he's playing a negative role or he's the sweet boy kind of thing. And that's how Alim goes with the look. He'll see what suits them best. And as far as I know, Alim, he tries to give them a different look every movie. So then it's decided, the look is decided, and we just follow it up. We just go according to the night, the wet look, whatever, however it's done.
Currently you're working on which projects?
Sorry?
Currently you're working on which projects?
At the moment, I am in the salon for a month and a half. I'm going to be here. Bobby is out on a shoot for this movie with Sangeet Sivam, for which I haven't gone this time because of health reasons. And that's what I plan to be here for some time, and it feels great to be back in the salon. Thank you so much.